What is 12 times 5 divided by 2?
48.
Try again. Use your calculator.
What was the problem again?
Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, everything's on the screen. So make a little bit of an effort here for me and see if you can figure it out.
Uh, 24.
How did you come up with 24?
Because 12 times 2.
Okay, but it's 12 times 5 in the top. What is 12 times 5?
Aiden, you need to use this template.
Bar, I'm not sure if you're there, but I'm not seeing much difference from last night.
I know,
I don't quite understand. But you know, let's
Are you gonna focus or
Oh,
what's
this
going
thing
on?
isn't working.
Your calculator? I don't know, Matthew.
I mean, I'm happy to wait a little bit if if you want to take a 5-minute break here and reset 5 minutes, sometimes that helps. It really won't take us that long to go through all this once we get going, but
Yeah. Can you use that format, the template they have for him? Because that's the one he's supposed to be using.
yeah, I mean, I'm snipping in the question that, I mean, this is what I'm seeing. And then I know on another page,
Okay.
I see lesson 30. I see this here. He said last night that he preferred this format. I don't know if he meant this, but
Why can't you just write 12 times 5? It looks like there's like a parenthesis.
okay. Well then, yeah. Well, that's fine. Then let's say that. Let's say that. 12 times 5 over 2. Now, can you give me the answer of what 12 times 5 is?
Uh, 60.
Okay, 60 divided by 2 is
30.
30. Very good. Okay, you ready to move on to letter B?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, letter B. The
Wait, what was
area
the
of the,
answer? What was the answer to A?
you just said it, it's 30. Let me know when we can go on to letter B.
I'm done. A, we can go to letter B.
Okay. All right. So the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base is 12, the height is 8. We don't need the 10. 12 times 8 divided by 2. Can you calculate that for us, please?
48. Matthew, 48.
Yes, very good. Let me know when you're ready to move on to number C, letter C.
I'm ready.
All right, so. All right, so letter C here. All right, so again, the area of the triangle, base times height divided by 2. The base is 6, the height is 6. So it's 6 times 6 divided by 2. Could you calculate that for us, please?
What?
Could you calculate that for us, please?
Uh, 18.
It is 18, very good. Any questions on that before we move on to D?
No.
Okay. All right, letter D, it says find the area. So we're going to first find the area of A. A is a rectangle. You agree with that?
Mm-hmm.
It's got base of 14, a height of 10. Do you remember how to find the area of a rectangle?
No.
It's base times height. The base is 14, the height is 10. If you calculate that for us, please.
Mm-hmm. What do I have to calculate again?
All right, do you want to take a short break? Because everything is on the screen right now. There's nothing.
But I don't understand what I like. How can I put shapes into a calculator?
You don't. You multiply the base times the height. What is the base?
4.
14. What is the height? 10. You multiply.
So base times height.
14 times 10.
Does it matter which way I calculate them, like order?
You could try them both to see if they're different. That's what I did when I was a student. Sometimes I got curious and I was like, I wonder if they're different.
140 is the answer.
Okay, now for B, I'm just going to give you the numbers here. It's 5 and 6. So what's the area of B? It's base times height, 6 times 5.
So it's. Wait, what was the answer for C?
All right, Aiden. I'm gonna ask, is your mom available?
Yeah.
Could you go grab her, please?
Okay.
Yeah, Matthew.
Hey, Bara, we're having just a lot of issues today. I really don't know what he's doing on his side, but we just finished this problem. He's asking me for the answer. You know,
Not
every
full.
they'll be this will be the only thing on the screen, and he's asking me what to do. Even though I told him verbally and written it down. So um, I don't know what to say. I mean, I'm happy to just be patient with him for the next 35 minutes, but this is not necessarily good value for you guys at this point. Is there anything to get him a little more motivated to you know get through the rest of the session?
What's happening, Aiden?
I can't remember the problems and I get distracted by stuff.
By what? You have a headache still? What is it?
Calculator.
Your phone? I'm gonna take your phone away.
I have a hard time using the calculator.
He doesn't have a calculator. He just has a phone.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely wouldn't recommend that. I mean, any sort of handheld thing you can use would be better than the phone. Phone, obviously, can be distracting.
I think
Um,
he can't get it to work. What is it, Aiden? What's the issue?
It's because I was trying to download the app.
Oh, what's his option right now?
I'd like him just to be involved, and we're only doing like 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. He can do it by hand,
I know.
I just wanted to know the answer for
Just
C.
okay. You need to be. He's going through the problem with you. You need to focus.
yeah. So if he's ready, we can get back going. Um,
The C.
Where's your C?
Here.
Okay. Do you have C for him on the board?
yeah, he actually, I mean, we already went through this. His responsibility is to get it down, Aiden. Your responsibility, if I ask you if you're ready to move on, I'm basically asking you, do you have the answer written down? Do you have all the work written down?
I don't know. You have one more session at 9. You want to wait until then?
I don't. I just want to know the answer to C.
Okay, multiply it.
It's right here.
6.
Again?
It's right here.
Uh,
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. I'm not sharing my screen. I didn't realize that had stopped. Let me go ahead and share the screen. Resume share. All right. So here's the answer to C. So Aiden, like I asked you, hey, do you want us to move on from C? You're supposed to say, nope, I need to write down the answer or the work, and then we move on.
Uh-huh.
You need to show the work, probably.
Yeah, if you're not going to show the work, I mean, I'm not going to help work it out. This is for you to write down as well.
You know what? He's going. Oh, you are going by the outline. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, follow through.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay around. So
Do you
I'm
have
ready
this?
to
Do
leave.
you have this written down for letter D? Everything on that I've written down. Aiden?
What's the answer?
For
See,
D, we don't have.
I think because he's looking just at the outline, the line sheet. He's not looking at the actual.
I am.
Where's your page? Find the first page. See, I don't know which way they want him to do it. I don't know why they have this outline.
Yeah, I agree. It's almost more confusing with the outline, but they're trying to step them through it. Like in part
What?
D,
Why
it's the
don't
same. I'm happy to use the outline. I mean, if that's what you guys want.
outline? Okay, he's
Okay.
gonna use the outline. You can follow through. Okay. You should be able to focus on that now. Go ahead.
All right. So what is 14 times 10, Aiden?
Uh,
It's on the screen here.
140.
Okay. And what is 5 times 5?
Follow through. It's 25. Why are you struggling with the calculator? This is your C. This is your
Reset.
erase. Yeah.
Okay, so add those together for me, please.
Um, 5 times 5.
5 times 5 is 25. So now add these two numbers together, 140 and 25. What does that become?
165.
Very good. Okay. All right. So let's look at E.
You didn't write down anything.
All right. So make sure you write these down. You tell me when to move on.
What's the answer?
They're right there.
I don't get it.
Okay.
Yeah, Bar, I don't know. I mean, in the past, this has gone really well. I don't know what's different today, but do you want us to take like a 5 or 10 minute break and reset?
I don't understand what he's writing.
This is your outline.
I don't understand.
You don't know what they're doing? Oh my
We're
God.
just following along though. I mean,
Why did he
like-
want me to add it when they're not adding in this?
so this is the problem, Bar. Like if I don't include the picture, the picture
Yeah.
is why we're adding it and subtracting it. And so it's sort of the fault of the teacher for not making this on the same, like,
Exactly. I don't know why they're doing this with
Yeah.
him. Okay, just go back to the first page, Aiden.
so I think if he just copies down the answers and we just forget about this, it'll be okay. We only got one more and then we're on
Okay.
to the cumulative review. So Aiden, could you just copy these numbers down? And
Uh-huh.
we'll keep going. Let me know when you got these down on your paper, please.
I got them.
Okay. All right. So don't worry about the physical problem this time. Let's just work from top to bottom, left to right. What is 10 times 12?
Go to your E. Go to E.
Problem.
It's E on the first page. Go to your math. Go to your math homework.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. 10 times 12.
120.
Okay. How about 4 times 4?
Uh, 16.
Okay.
Okay, write down your answers here.
Yep. Go ahead and write those down. Let me know when you've got them written down.
Write them down.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you
Okay, so
can erase it. You need to follow. You're not a baby for me to stand here. Okay? Follow through.
I put it.
okay, now we're going to subtract 120 minus 16.
Uh,
120, and then you're subtracting 16.
104.
104. Good. So get that written down. Let me know when you've got that down, and we'll move on to letter F.
Yeah, we can move on to F.
Okay. All right. So we're going to go left to right, top to bottom, or top to bottom, left to right. 24 times 6, what does that become?
Uh, Um, what was the thing again?
24 times 6. Here.
144.
Okay.
I got it. 140.
Okay. How about 14 times 8?
14 times 8. 112.
Okay. So I'm going to bring this 144 down to this other box, and you're going to add them together. You're going to add the numbers together, okay?
Uh, 16,128.
Okay, you're adding, you're multiplying.
Wait, how did you know I was multiplying?
Based on the magnitude of the number.
256.
Okay.
Wait,
Right.
what was the answer to F?
Which letter?
F.
Which letter is on the screen?
Oh, okay.
Okay. I need a break here, Aiden. I'm gonna be back with you in 3 minutes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'll see you in 3 minutes.
Up to. Up to.
All right, Aiden, I am back. Let me know when you're ready to get started.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Excellent. Okay. So give me a good 20 minutes here for the rest of our session. I'm going to start with the first problem on your cumulative review.
I don't have that right now. Can I go get it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay. Let me know when you're sitting down and ready to go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. It says in the first 4 months of the year, the electric bills were $120.46. That's next number, next number, next number. What was the average electric bill during the first 4 months of the year? So you have to add up these four numbers. Could you add those up for us, please?
Okay. How do you add that up on a calculator?
You put the first number in, then you add the second number plus the second number, third
What
number
about
plus
the point?
there should be a decimal point on your calculator. Otherwise, you got to do it the long way where you add up the first column and then carry.
Yeah, but what if it thinks it's something else instead of money?
It doesn't matter.
I got it 469.72.
Let me check here. Yep, that's right, 469.72. Now to find the average, you're going to divide by 4. So you can take this number and divide it by 4.
117.43.
Okay. And then because it's money, it's probably a good idea to put the dollar symbol in there. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's move on to number 2.
They put it on the test that I just do every other one. So
Okay,
odds are evens, they said.
so do you not want us to do number 2?
No, well, let's just move on to number 3.
Okay. All right, let's look at number 3. All right, a 1-year subscription to the monthly magazine costs $15.60. The regular newsstand price is $1.95 per issue. How much is saved per issue by paying the subscription price? All right, so you have to take $15.60 and divide it by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So could you divide that for us, please?
Mm-hmm. So 15.60 times 12 or divided?
The fraction bar means division.
Uh, 1.3.
Okay. Now it normally costs $1.95, so I want you to subtract 1.30 from that.
From what?
What's on the screen?
1.95.
Okay, minus
130.
1.30.
0.65.
Okay, that is the answer. That's how much they save per issue. So make sure you get that down, and then we will move on to the next
Wait,
one.
what problem?
Look at the screen. What problem are we working on?
Oh, 3. Okay. Got it.
Okay, I want you to read number 5 out loud for us, please.
Uh, the perimeter of the square equals the perimeter of the regular pentagon. Each side of the pentagon is 16 centimeters. How long is each side of the square?
Here, so I'm going to label the pentagon with a 16 on each edge. Could you calculate the perimeter of the pentagon, please? Basically, I'm asking you to add them all up.
Wait, how do you know each side is 16?
Well, you just read it. I heard you read it. You did a great job. What does it say there in the highlight?
16.
Yeah.
Uh, 80.
Okay. Now, how many sides does the square have?
4.
How many?
4.
So divide that number by 4.
20.
20 centimeters. Make sure you write your work down. I would, put some numbers around the pentagon, show this off to the side.
Got it.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready to move on to 7.
I'm ready.
Okay. Read this question out loud for us, please.
Find the least common multiple of 7 and 9 and 21.
Okay, so you start writing multiples of each. And you have to keep going. So can you tell me the next multiple of 7 after 21?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is it? Aiden, what's the next multiple after 21? Of 7.
What order are we in?
Well, let me get rid of all this other stuff. I guess that's distracting you. Okay, 7,
Oh,
14, 21.
9.
Nope. What's the next number in this sequence? 7, 14, 21. We're going up by
27.
nope. Try again.
28.
Okay, and then the next one.
Uh, 35.
Okay, and the next one.
42.
42.
49.
Okay.
56.
Okay, keep going.
63.
Okay.
70.
All right.
87.
That's good. You've gone far enough. Now let's do the one for 9. Give me the one for 9, please.
Um,
Let's do this. And then for 21. All right, so the least common multiple here is 63. Go ahead and write that down, please.
uh-huh.
And let's go ahead and stop here. I don't think we're going to get much more benefit out of this lesson. We'll pick up here at